Hello, welcome back to the Lavelle Time Works YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video replacing a battery on a G-Shock. I've got two of these. They're going to be up for sale soon, so keep your eye out for that. Kind of a special one here. It's a GA110 MC-1A. The other one's the 7 in white. I'm a little sick. I'm getting over being sick, so bear with me. So we had to get this open. You can see there's the crazy colors there. The camera will focus. New in box. Battery's gone dead. As you can see, the screens are all off there. We'll get this open and get a new battery installed. Takes a CR1220. If you're trying to do this yourself, that is how that, or what it needs. Batteries used to come in easy open packaging, but they're all child safe now, so you have to cut them open. Got our new battery there. I'm going to try my best to not make any marks on this watch. Like I said, it's new in box, not pre-owned or anything. I got these years ago. I was going to do something with them, I'm sure. Probably mix and match colors. And I never got around to it. Four screws on the back there. Go, we'll set that aside. Grab the gasket here. We're gonna get some grease on that. Put that in there. Set it aside for now. I would take the band off, but again, that's some more work, and I don't want to be damaging anything if I don't have to. So I'm gonna leave it as is, best I can. Here's what the inside looks like. Our battery is right underneath this cover, so we have to take this plastic cover out. After battery replacement, contact AC with the tweezers. As you can see, there's a little arrow here. Points to this hole, so that's our AC reset there. And then there's a little circle here. You just touch it with that. What I need to do here is there's a little tab. This is so much easier with the band off, but I can manage. Like that. Flip that open. There's our old battery. CR1220. Take our new battery. Get that installed. Usually I date these, but I'm not going to with these. There you go. Easy enough. You can see there's little tabs on the side here. Push that this way, open it up. And I'm trying to be careful to not reposition the watch. There's 4 pushers, one in each corner. That's that L-shaped piece. Try your best to not move those. Plastic piece just goes right back in. And there's notches on the corner. You can see that little bump right there. There's another one there. That is back where it should be properly. My gasket back here. Line that case back up. And what I like to do with the G-Shocks is just push down in the center. And I can start tightening the screws here. Again, apologies for all the sniffling going on here. Just getting all 4 screws tightened up there. Easy enough. Now I can show you how to set this. So when you first put a battery in, it's going to tell you to set the hands. It's the H set. And it's the sub hand. As you can see, that's where we want it to end. Right there. Want it to end on the 0. Now, you want to hit these buttons on the side. Forward and reverse. And if I recall, we're going to line it up to the 50 best we can. And again, I'm just going to push the button, and as you can see, I'm letting go. We want this to line up with 0 or midnight. As you can see, it just spins around and around and around. You can see why they call this watch Crazy Colors. One more go around here. And I went a little past, so now I can use this other button, the reverse. Line that up. Now, to finish it, you hit the adjust button. And as you can see, the sub hand went right back to the 0 mark. Now, the watch is technically set to the time that's on here. Which button do I hit again? There we go. 12:03. It says 12:03. Then when you want to set it, you hold that button. I don't know if you heard the beep. You can set your time zone. I'm just going to set this local. And then you use the bottom left button. This kind of cycles you through your different options here. That's what I used to switch from the sub hand to the main hands. You can change your daylight savings time on and off. $12-hour, 24-hour. Now I could probably turn this light down so we don't get the reflection. Well, there's still another light above it. Now it's the seconds that are beeping, so if you want to set this watch to the second, you can go and hit the bottom right button. If it's past 30 seconds, it will jump to the next minute. So take note of that. You can set the time. You can also hold that button to cycle through faster. That's close enough. Now, every time that it switches what's flashing, I'm hitting this bottom left button here. You can set the year, which is right behind that hand, so it's kind of hard to see. It's going to do the month. This isn't the right time or date, by the way. Just giving you just a quick rundown. Now it says light 1, LT1. You can hit it once for LT3 or back to LT1. This is how long the light stays on when you hit the upper right button. And now we're back at the start. Once you're all done, you press the adjust button again to wrap it up, and the hands will match the time shown on the screen. This is the part, this is when I like to hand the watch back to people. They're like, wait, the hands aren't doing the right thing. And I say, yeah, watch. There you go. Stop. 3:31 was our time. This 3:31, you can switch it between the date or the time. This watch has other modes too, if that matters to you. Stopwatch, timer, world time, alarm, and back to the home screen. The stopwatch, you can actually do the 100th of a second there. Do 984. There you go. Reset the stopwatch, press the adjust button. Switch between laps and splits, if that's something that matters to you, I guess. But otherwise, this watch is set and ready to go. Here's the light. Again, I'm pushing this upper right button. You can see there's a light down at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Stays on for 3 seconds. And it doesn't look that great on the screen right now because it's actually pretty bright in here. Now, does this one have the auto light? I'm going to hold the button here. There you go. As you can see, I held that light button for a few seconds, and now it says A light, which is auto light. So if you flip the watch, here, as you can see, I'm not pushing the button. And then if you flip the watch, it'll flip that light on for 3 seconds. It's a nice feature if you know you're going to use it at night. If you're going to leave that on, though, you will drain the battery faster because every time you tilt your wrist, there's a little sensor in there. It's like I think it's a ball in a cage. So every time you flip the watch up, I've done it too much. No, it doesn't want to do it. It will turn that light on. So every time you touch the back of your head or whatever to move your arm, you'll be flipping that light on. It's a cool feature. I like it more on solar watches because then it actually senses the light. And if it's bright enough, it won't turn that on. But then if it's dark and you flip your arm, then it will flip that light on. But that's this watch done. It's really that simple. Kind of a shorter video here. But there you go. G-Shock all ready to go. I'm going to do the white one. And then I'm going to shoot some videos for the channels. And we'll get these up for sale. So if you want it, let me know. Make sure to subscribe. Check out the other videos here. There's a certain watch video that you want to see. Let me know. We'll see if I can do it. If you want to buy a watch, if you want one worked on, custom watch. I do sometimes do some custom G-Shocks and other watches. Let me know. But that's it for this one. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you next time.